Hey, it's me, Jermaine Callando. I'm back with wash day for the whole week. Why? Because we're trying a new product out. Yes. And we already did one step. We already had this in our hair right now. This was already in. I just washed this out. This is a Power Greens Shampoo. If you want more information about this, you can watch this now. Ding! And this right here is the second product. Now, you already saw that I only did this. Took it off that way. With this product, I'm kind of inquisitive of, because this is like a rinse. What a rinse is pretty much you're supposed to just rinse your hair. Rinsing your hair means it's either the scalp, and for some people ask this question like, if you have more problem areas around right here, if you want your hair to grow. This is a kind of a green hair tea rinse. What this is. So, let's take the top off. Yeah, I had a feeling that was going to happen. Alright, if you don't have that already fixed, you're going to do like I'm about to do, which is go along with it. So this is how much I'm about to use. I'm about to use just a little bit. So first, cup your hand like this. You see the green tea rinse. So we're going to see this for a second. Just pour a little bit in your hand. Cup your hand real hard. Drop the product. It's dripping. It feels good. Yeah, we're going to get real into this one fast. And we're going to add just a little bit more. Just a tidbit more. And yeah. Okay, with the rinse, I won't sugarcoat this. With the nozzle, what it's supposed to do is this. If I did everything correctly, which I one day will, with the nozzle, what it's going to do is this. The nozzle will go in your hair. Because this is a much of a rinse, the rinse itself, you do not have to use a lot of it, because your hair naturally coats itself. Your hair already been washed. Your hair is already in a very opening state. So the rinse itself is going to add it. It's kind of like, ooh, and it's a watery substance. So basically, not watery substance, but it's a liquid. Any liquid in your hair will travel. You're asking this question, why do people say this? It's because y'all have to understand, it naturally is going to travel. Now, my hair is already wet and everything, but I'm going ahead and just spray this in so I can get a little activated moment to help it. As you know, with rinses, it's really great to do a T% rinse. This is supposed to help your strands, and this is supposed to lessen it's supposed to lessen breakage, and it's supposed to lessen like single strands and everything. It's supposed to help. And so if you do a lot of detangling, this should lessen a lot of it. Yes. That's just a good thing for me, because it's spring, things are happening. We're staying inside, going to the park, having social distancing. Because of something that happened, we can't talk about that. We just can't. And pretty much that's it. This one, it's really good. I do like it. I do like that it's coated my hair. Not gonna lie, it's really good. I like it a lot. It's no tingle, which is great, which I miss a little bit. They had added peppermint oil in this. It's been legendary. But this product, and I want to give you more review of this in like a month. So let me go ahead and rinse this out real quick, and I'll come back with another product. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and just do this real quick. That product is the second. This is the third. So I'll be back with the next video with this. But I'll wash this out. I'm gonna just come back with the next one with this. Me looking like this. Me looking like this. Oh. And then last but not least, I'm going to be using this right here. So yes, that and then that. So if you like this video and stuff like that, I still have 2 more wash days. I'm gonna let this just soak in my hair just a little bit longer. Yes. Oh. Okay. That's not something crazy. So what's going to do is this. My hair is my hair. This is my hair right now. I'm about to wash this out, and you'll see me next with the next product. This is the hair point all week long, and I'll see you with the next one. If you like this video, thumb me up. If you want to try this product out, it is at Walmart. Local stores will have it pretty soon, and you can buy online at SheaMoisture.com, and you probably find this at your local beauty store. If they're still opening while the spring break is occurring, stay at home.